Good day everyone. I am here to show my instructional materials all about approaches to performance management. So first, what is approaches to performance management? So it encompasses various strategies for aligning employee efforts with business goals, developing employees and improving productivity. These approaches can be broadly categorized into behavioral, results-oriented, and newer innovative methods, with the goal of creating a culture of continuous improvement and engagement. This instructional material illustrates four different approaches to performance management using a quadrant model. So it is divided into two dimensions: focus on interval versus external, and structure, flexible, and versus structured. Each approaches fits a specific organizational need and working environment. Mission-based OKR approaches. This method uses objectives and key results to guide performance aligned with an organization's broader mission. Like for an example, a non-profit organization sets an OKR to increase community engagement by 30% in 6 months and allows employees to choose creative ways to meet these goals. And client, colleague, manager feedback method. So, external focus structured. This approach involves gathering performance feedback from multiple sources, including clients, co-worker, and supervision in a formal structured manner. Like for an example, in a customer service company, an employee's evaluation includes surveys from clients, peer reviews from teammates, and an annual performance appraisal by the manager. Continuous dialogue method. In an external focus, flexible. This is an informal, ongoing conversation between managers and employees aimed to continuous improvement and personal growth. Example, a team leader regularly checks with a graphic designer to ask how things are going, offer support, and discuss a new goals without waiting for formal reviews. And reflective retro method. So this is an internal focus structured. This structured method involves a scheduled review sessions or retrospectives where team members reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how to improve. Like for an example, a software develop team holds a sprint retrospective every 2 weeks to discuss challenges and successes from that last project phase.